Aloha and welcome back. I'm Fade Panther, and apparently, in order to make animal lures, you have to be drunk. Okay. This is gonna be a bit of a walk. But, once I sell off these bones, I'll eventually get good enough at smithing to, um, wait, what? Oh, there we go. It took it a second to realize, oh wait, he's overweight. I should have just booked it. Ooh. Yay. Oh, that kind of hurt my eyes. I like how they have different helmets. I think that's the immersive armor mod. Please be open, please be open, please be open. You're not open. Fine. It is 8 p.m. Ooh. Ugh. Please tell me you buy bones.
We've got small weapons as well. Looking to protect yourself or deal some damage?
You don't buy bones. Fine. I need to break that down. I remember. Yeah, let's go ahead and sell that. Sell that. What? How is that? God damn it. Fine, I'll hold on to that. I'll hold on to that. Or that. Still overweight, though. Blood-stained hunting bow. Reduce the cost of your power attack by 10% for 10 seconds. With a bow! That's fun. Hunting bow of doom. Living targets take a stacking 5-point curse for 20 seconds and is slain when this exceeds its health. That's a cool effect. A festering. Inflicts a disease that deals 5 points of damage for 12 seconds. Okay. Delivers an 8-point static shock with a 10% chance to deal 5 times damage. Jesus. Ooh, what was that last one?
Looking to protect yourself or deal some damage?
Volden Warbow. Damn. Ingot. Or.
Good doing business with you.
Uh-huh. Sure. Yeah, you.
Everything you see
helped.
here was made with skill and care by my...
Cool.
Look, you already have been told you're not allowed here. Turn around and go back the way you came.
We're causing no trouble. All we ask is to confer.
I don't care what you're doing. After what happened, you're lucky I don't toss you. Jay, now get close.
No. Or maiden. No. Ah!
We will be back. This is not over.
Oh, for a second I was like, how did a horse get up there? Oh, it is wooden. It is not real.
Take pity, lady, and spare me a few seconds.
Who asked that? That was new. Alright. Hey, buddy. I don't like you.
I'd even buy one of your relatives if you're looking to sell. Take a look.
Jesus. The uncommon taste, beggar prince. Necklace of fortitude. Necklace of heraldry. Ring of looting. Oh, I kind of want that. Oh well. Ah, yeah, you take them. Gonna sell everything from the dragon. Oh, he's out of money. Well, fine. Come on. Oh. No. Then I'm going to get that ring.
Do come back.
It's nice to move again. Let's equip that ring. There we go. Oh.
You just let me know what you... Trinkets, odds and ends, that sort of thing.
Don't need that. Gonna break that down. I need to eventually just start making some alchematic potions. Thank you.
Remember, I'll give you the best deal.
Or die trying. Yeah, you'll probably die anyway. Jesus. Oh, it's so awesome to be able to move again. But damn, I am weighed down. Let's go to Dragon's Reach. I need to break down this. Oh, it's you.
I ain't done nothing.
There.
Oh, thank you. Divines bless your kind heart. Sure, whatever.
Gift of charity. What? Ah. Whatever. Didn't do it because I wanted a perk off of it. Oh, right, the Greybeards summoned me.
Come to Dragon's Reach to discuss the ongoing hostilities, like the rest of the great warriors?
As much as I do want to get my hands on that effect, I'm going to hold off. Let's just start making potions. Actually, restore health. Craft. Cool. Okay. I didn't level yet. And I gained more weight because I put them all into glass bottles. But I can sell off.
Come to Dragon's Reach. I had you figured for a mage. I think you'll appreciate
Oh, you don't
this.
take potions. That's fine, that's fine. Fear, banish, fortify, 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 muffle, paralyze, regenerate health, mana. Water breathing, I don't need water breathing. Soul trap, blah, blah, blah. That's a nice one, but I can hold off on that. I'm good. I'm good.
You know,
I
if
need
you've
to
got
go.
the aptitude, you should join the Mages College in Wintermore.
I need to go sell off these potions that I am not going to be using because they are weak potions. Because I made them. I'm not strong enough yet. That slightly hurt. That's a house. Oh, the shops are down here. Shut up. Like, I understand for, you're not that type of individual to stand up for yourself, but seriously.
Pardon me, but do I detect a case of the rattles? I've got something for that. Take a look.
hold on to that. I'll hold on to the healing. I don't need to fortify my sneak. I don't need that. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I don't need resist cold. Stamina, don't care. Increases heavy armor skill. No, I can do without. Oops. You're out. Well, then I will buy your potion of strength. I need to hold on to that. I don't need to hold on to that. I think I'm good with that. Cool. Thank you.
Come back anytime if you need a remedy.
I will do so. Ah. Ah.
I sell cures for all ills, and I'll be happy to.
There. It was the third door.
Spare a coin for a poor beggar.
Already did. Okay. No, put that away. I'm done. Wait. Oh yeah. Hit that. Hit that, hit that, hit that, and hit that. Place marker. That way, huh? I should probably get some sleep. I also need to keep my eyes open for mineral veins. Maybe I should hold off on that. $374. Wow. Fuck you. Ha! Ha! That's why I saw her on fire. Ooh. That's pretty nice. Cool. Yoink. Alright. Where am I going? That way? Fuck. Damn it. I was like, if I can hit the water, if I can hit the water. No. No, that was dumb of me. Blensign are the eldest and strongest Magnagy. Damn it. Oh, they're gonna have different loot too. At least I did all my selling. Hey, Jessica. I somehow know that's not her name. I don't want to see that again. First map. Second, Lordstone. That way. Damn. You're not here this time. It's a different.
You there, citizen. This area is off limits. You're interfering with Imperial business. Yeah, so you'll have to pay us a fine.
Oh.
Say, 100 gold. Pay up, citizen. Fine. If you can't pay with coin, you'll pay with your life.
Someone there?
Whoa! I pressed. Oh right, I changed the block button. That's the block button now. That's just straight up. I have precognition. Fuck you. Fuck off, wolf. Oh my god.
I can take you.
Fuck off.
That is highly overrated.
What happened? God. Are we done? Save. Hero, lockpick, ale. Fucking goddamn pizza. Ah! That's really good. But it's not better than what I have. Those are one better than what I have. Not enough for me to care. I'm gonna take your steel arrow. Oh, right, yeah. Magica. When that hits 200 natural, I will... No. There we go. Dream Thief. No. One more to get that. Alright, I haven't upgraded that yet. Yeah, we'll go with destruction. Raw power. Oh! This is a new one. Destruction spells that do not deal fire, frost, or shock deal 10% more damage. Oh, okay, cool. How much damage does this spell deal anyway? 12? Okay. Note. Oh, it's just a random bandit. Then this fucking wolf. God, like everybody jumped in. Heavy armor. Oh, I can. Ooh. Thank you, sir. So far, nothing's broken. Annual loot. Grab that wolf pelt. Field dress it. Skin it. Harvest ingredients. Butcher meat. Dispose of the body. Jesus Christ. I'm carrying so much food. Let's go ahead and rest here. Place. I don't care if it's night out. There should be a full moon. this direction. Oh, I'm not dealing with that. Wait. What? Oh. That was a group of vampire hunters hunting a vampire.
Stendar's mercy be upon you.
Hell fuck yeah. Armor of vampire armor of claws. Living foes that stay within 10 feet too long, based on your are slain instantly. Jesus Christ. Vampire dust.
For the vigil has none to spare.
Stendar's mercy be upon you, for the vigil has none to spare.
Got you. Nice armor. No, I'm not touching that. Not touching that. You are not on my map. Oh, dash pool. Here we go again. Just random locations. What is that sound? What is that sound? Grabbing a sack of flour. God, what is that sound? He missed and hit her dead body. Orcish arrows. Nice. Glad I got to sneak up on her. Oh. Sweet. I'm done picking up wines. I need to stop picking up stuff. Until, like... I don't know what until point at this juncture. Hello, trap. have that. Not a good sword. I want one-handed. Nope. I'll pick those up. Oh, I already have that effect. Shovel. Shovel. Do I want a shovel? I'll keep a shovel on hand. You never know when you need a shovel. Oh, cool. Wait. 2. That's fine. That just makes it heavier. Yeah, I already got those. Yeah, okay. Can't do much with this to help my situation out. This is a false wall. Oh my god, this ambient sound. I could so do without this ambient sound.
Time to end this game. Gonna split your belly like an old woman's purse.
Oh. That block so helped. Block's an actual skill? I'm so not used to using it. I can block 10 more. Time slows if you block during an enemy's power attack. Ow! Apocalypse proof? What the fuck is that? Perform a timed block to mitigate incoming fire, frost. Oh. What did you have? Not much. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna save.
Is someone there?
Horker loaf. I'm working on this. Poke the dragon. Block runner? Okay. I don't think I can bash using this. But I can at least... Ooh. She got shot. Jeez, I'm glad I took you out early. Alright. Are you health potions? Yes. I will take up the weight for that. I do need to work on so many things right now. Ah, I thought so. Thank you for the arrows. Ah. Already have a shovel. I don't know where it went. That is a lot of ale. Potion of healing. Minor potion of healing. What do you got? No. Poison seed. Restoration spell. function of a glass cannon at this juncture. Mineable stuff? That's not bad. What I've got is better. Provided it doesn't break. Oh, I'm thirsty. There.
Thought I heard something.
Okay. What bow do I have? Mine's better. Give me those arrows. Holy crap, this place is huge. Cornorium. Aww. If my other spell would function and give me experience in smithing, I'll so do that. Hi, you two over by the wall. I see you.
What was that?
I'm gonna call this here. This sound is getting to me. I will catch you all in the next episode. Until then, have fun, be safe, and aloha.